Hello, third grade. Today we are going to be working on lesson 21 of Module 3, and our content goal for today is we can solve two-step word problems involving multiplying, single-digit factors, and multiples of 10. So if we're solving two-step word problems, that means we're solving word problems that have more than one step. And our word problems are going to involve multiplying, single-digit factors, which are factors that have just one number, so there's something in the ones place, but there's nothing in the tens or hundreds place, and multiples of 10, like 10, 20, 30, and so on. So let's get started. For our first problem, Julio wants to buy the new Dogman book, which costs $28. And I'm going to circle 28, so that's an important number. If he saves $4 each week for 9 weeks, does he have enough money to buy his book? So in order to solve this problem, first I'm going to draw a tape diagram, because that's, I think, the easiest way for me to solve a problem. So I'm going to draw a tape diagram. And I know that he is saving $4 a week for 9 weeks. So I'm going to draw 9 boxes on my tape diagram. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes. And then in each box, I know that every day he saves $4. So I can put $4 in each box. Okay, so I have 9 days and $4 every day, and what I need to know is the total. So I need to know how much does it cost so that I can see, okay, does it cost the same amount as his book or more? So I'm going to skip count by 4s. So go ahead and skip count with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So he saved $36. He made $36 in 9 weeks. And I know that his book costs $28. So in order to figure out if he has enough, I can take a look and see that, okay, well, I know that 36 is more than 28. Or I can do 36 minus 28. And I'm going to have to borrow. And I know that 16 minus 8 equals 8. 2 minus 2 is 0, so he has $8 left over. He has more than enough money to buy his Dogman book. Okay? So I can say, yes, he has enough. Okay. So for problem number 2, this one's going to be a little bit trickier, and you're going to have to solve part of it on your own. So Ben is selling candy bars for $7 each. And I'm going to circle that because I know $7 is an important number. He sold 12 chocolate and 9 caramel. His goal is to make $100. Did he meet his goal? So I have a couple of things I need to solve for because these are two-step word problems. Okay? So, Ben is selling candy bars for $7 each. He sold 12 chocolate and 9 caramel. So, first I can draw a tape diagram for the chocolate, and I'm going to write chocolate over here. And I want 12 parts of this tape diagram. 12. And each part has $7 in it. Oh, that's a lot of chocolate bars. Okay, so I have 12 groups of 7 each, and that's my chocolate. And then for caramel, I'm going to draw another tape diagram, but I only have 9 groups in this tape diagram, so I don't need to draw them as small. Oh, and I didn't draw them small enough. And each of these is also equal to 7. Each group costs $7. Each bar costs $7, okay? So this is caramel. Now before I can see if he made enough money, which is $100 like his goal, I need to solve to find out, okay, how much money did he actually make? So first I'm gonna solve the chocolate. And I can break 7 times 12. I can break it up so that it's easier for me to solve. So I know that 12 is the same as 10 plus 2 more times 7. And then down here, I'm gonna break it up again into 10 times 7 plus 2 times 7. And I need to solve each of these. So 10 times 7 is 70 plus 2 times 7 is 14. And then I'll add these together to equal 84. So on the chocolate alone, he made $84. This is chocolate. Okay. So now I need to solve for how much he made with caramel, because that is not his goal yet. That's not enough to meet his goal. So I need to solve for caramel now. So in order to solve for caramel, in order to solve for caramel, I'm going to do something similar, except instead of breaking it down, because it's 7 times 9, I have 9 groups of 7, so I can do 9 times 7 or 7 times 9. Instead of breaking 9 apart, I'm just going to skip count by 9s, or I can use my finger trick, okay? So actually I'm going to use the trick Mrs. Little taught us, because I think that's a really useful trick. So 1 less than 7 is 6. And 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 3 more to get to 9. So I know that caramel is $63. Now I'm not finished yet, because although that I know that caramel is $63 and chocolate is $84, I don't know what that equals together. So I don't know if he met his goal or not of 100. So I'm going to have to add those together. So I'm going to take my first product, 84. I'm going to add my second product of 63. 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 plus 6 is 14. So he made $147. And his goal was $100. So I know that he met his goal. So I can say, yes, he met his goal. Okay, so now that we've done those two, it is time for our final problem. Brianna wants to buy her dog enough treats to last 2 weeks. So that's important, 2 weeks. If her dog eats 3 treats a day and Brianna buys 2 packs of 9 treats, will she have enough? So right now I'd like you to draw a tape diagram to find out how many treats she eats in 3 weeks, or in 2 weeks, I'm sorry. She eats 3 treats a day for 2 weeks. So you can find out how many treats she eats in 2 weeks. And then you need to find out how many treats Brianna bought. And then you can see if they are equal, greater than, or less than. So go ahead and solve that one on your own. I will see you all in the morning. Thank you for being such amazing 3rd graders.